Le secret de ma maman pour faire ce gâteau si moelleux comme une éponge de couleur verte et qui sent vraiment bon, c'est de n'utiliser ni colorant, ni arôme et ni levure chimique. Il est 100% naturel.
To make this Pandan Chiffon Cake, I use a special cake pan, the bottom of which comes off. And in addition, it has 3 little legs, useful to keep the cake upside down once baked. Cut 50 grams of pandan leaves into small pieces. Put 15 centiliters of water in a blender. Gradually add the pandan leaves. Blend them for 2 minutes. Filter to keep the juice. Keep it in the fridge overnight so that the extract settles on the bottom. The next day, gently remove the lighter juice on the surface to keep the most concentrated, the extract. Take 6 centiliters of extract. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Separate the yolk and whites from 5 eggs. Put the yolks in the mixing bowl. Whisk them. Then add 10 centiliters of oil, the 6 centiliters of the pandan extract, 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. Mix all. Put 100 grams of sifted wheat flour. Mix again. Put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with the egg whites. Whisk by gradually increasing the speed. When the foam forms like this, gradually add 80 grams of sugar. Stop beating when the egg whites can make a big shape. Add it by thirst into the batter. Gently mix with a spatula. Get the batter at the bottom and bring it to the surface. For cooking, the oven will need to be at 170 degrees. At a lower temperature, the cake will not have the expected texture, and it will not be inflated uniformly. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Pat to avoid large air bubbles. Place a foil to prevent the surface of the cake from cracking. Bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the foil. Lower the temperature to 155 degrees and let bake for another 20 minutes. Take the cake out of the oven. Immediately turn it over and let it cool for at least 2 hours. Clap the outside of the pan to help unsticking the cake. Detach the center of the cake with a knife. Gently push on the bottom of the pan to bring out the cake. To detach the cake's bottom, gently press on the edge. If necessary, you can use a knife. This cake is light like cotton. Its texture is similar to that of the sponge. Fans like to take large bites, and it is naturally delicious with the pandan. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.